Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this $60 613 lace front wig I got off of Amazon. So basically this is how the packaging came with the wig inside. It came with the usual eyelashes, and then it came with the wig in a plastic bag, and then the wig had a net around it as well. This came with 4 combs, the usual when you get any other wig. This is a really good wig. For $60, you can't beat that. For a 613 wig like this, and it is a 8-inch wig. I did want a bob. So like usual, I'm going to use my Sally Hansen tanning leg spray, and I'm just going to tint the lace a little bit. Is basically what the lace looked like after I tinted it with that spray and after it dries. So now I'm just going to apply the wig to my head and try to adjust it to get it to fit right. This is my first time ever having a blonde wig, so I was super shocked when I put it on my head, because I was like, am I gonna like this, or is this gonna be a complete fail? But it ended up coming out pretty good. So I'm basically just adjusting the wig to make sure it just fits my head, and then I'll go ahead and install it. So basically, I'm just going to do my glueless wig install technique, which I did film a video of that last week, so I'll link it in the cards. I'm going to just be using the freeze spray just to apply this wig. Something quick and easy, and something that will last as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace so it fits my head properly. I do have an in-depth video of how I cut my lace, so I'll make sure I link that in the cards as well. I'm just going to take some mousse and I'm going to apply it to basically where that middle part is, and I'm going to take some tweezers and I'm going to pluck it just to get it and try to get it as natural looking as possible, because that part was a little too small. So I'm just going to pluck it. There's no real technique for plucking. You just have to pluck and look. Like, don't over pluck. Pluck a couple times, then look, and then just pluck some more. Now on to styling the wig. I did speed it up a little bit, so I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to run a couple passes through the hair to try to get it as flat as possible. It is pretty flat, but I did wanted to get it even flatter. Take some oil and apply it to the hair and run my flat iron through it. I did no real technique of learning this flat iron. I just flat ironed the pieces that were going any kind of way. I'm basically just getting the baby hairs together. I'm going to take my eyebrow archer and just cut it and then just formulate those baby hairs. I'm just going to style the other side of the hair, run a couple passes through it with the flat iron and do some baby hairs on that side as well. This is basically the finished look for this $60 wig that I got off Amazon. This is a really good wig. I would definitely recommend it, so I'll make sure I link it below. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.